Board certification as a DUI Defense Specialist is a American Bar Association accredited certification through the National DUI Defense College. It's a very elite status because there are over 900 members of the National DUI Defense College, and as of 2011, only 42 members of that college have obtained the level of board certified as DUI Defense Specialist. It means that I took an exam through the National College for DUI Defense last year in January of 2010. In order to sit for that board certification exam, I had to show the National College that I had litigated, and the number that I submitted they asked for was 60 contested matters within a 3-year period to ensure that I was in fact trying cases to verdict year in and year out. They then confirm by way of docket sheets and certified copies from the courts that it was in fact me and not an associate or a partner that was doing all those cases. I also had to submit 6 judicial recommendations, meaning I had to ask 6 different judges that are familiar with my work and my defense work in DUI to write recommendations to the National College. And I also had to submit 6 lawyer recommendations, lawyers that are familiar again with my practice in my DUI defense work. Once all of that was submitted, I was accepted for examination. That examination was over the course of 1 day last January, very much like a bar exam. The topics that were tested were constitutional law, ethics, science behind breath testing, blood testing, and then I also had to submit an appellate brief and then argue that brief before a panel of 3 judges, and those 3 judges were 3 regents of the National College for DUI Defense. I was very honored and very pleased to find out last April that I had passed the exam and I did obtain board certification as a DUI Defense Specialist. I am one of only 3 attorneys practicing in Massachusetts that is board certified as a DUI Defense Specialist. I am one of only 2 lawyers practicing in the state of New Hampshire that is board certified as a DUI Defense Specialist.